And this is a quick lap review of an old time trial lap at Palmer Motorsports Park in a BMW E36 M3 with a little bit of aero. So just a quick tip for each corner. In turn one, try to line up as far to the right as possible, getting the car lined up parallel if possible, or if not, as close to it, to this stretch of white line on the right side. And the point is to open up the corner and make it as wide as possible instead of diving towards the inside and pinching off the radius of the corner. It lets a lot of momentum be carried all the way through the middle and exit the corner. For turn two, take a shallow, gentle arc, gently working the car down into the apex. If you take a look at the banking on the way into the corner, there's a bit more camber right around the apex, so getting the car inside a little bit earlier than textbook is helpful to carry momentum to the mid part of turn two and up the straightaway towards turn three. Stay left at turn three as much as possible to make the entry into turn four as wide as possible, and this will help carry momentum through turn 4, 5, and up the back straight. Plug the car tight to the inside to cut the radius through turn 4. Track out to just to the right of mid-track, staying a little bit wide to the right to get a little bit of a run through turn 5 and up the hill. But take advantage of the additional camber and grip that's on the inside around the white line at the apex of turn 5. Car back over to line up turn 6 and treat this as a fast in, slow out corner and slowly bleed speed for the entire way around the corner. For turn 7, make sure to brake hard in a straight line, but trail the brakes to rotate the car down the hill and towards the apex, letting the car swing out all the way to mid-track before sweeping back down towards the apex of turn 7. Turn 8 is fast, taking a smooth arc all the way through near wide open throttle in many cars, and then get the car back to the left as much as possible, ideally a little bit more than here in the video, to line up a wide entry down the hill into turn 9. Trail the brakes a little bit and wait until the apex and trajectory towards the exit actually come into view before getting back on the throttle. Treat turn 10 like a fast-in corner and try to maintain that momentum around the inside of 11A and 11B, swinging out just a little bit to about inside of mid-track to come back down on turn 12. Prioritize tracking all the way out of turn 13 and then just run out of 14 as if it were a straightaway. So there's some quick tips to get around Palmer Motorsports Park. Definitely get up to speed slowly and drive carefully with all the close tire barriers, concrete walls, and blind corners here. Thanks for watching.